In this video, I'll show you how to use Blaze AI to create epic Instagram posts quickly and easily. First, sign up for Blaze AI at blaze.ai and connect your social media accounts to access their content creation tools. Next, select social media from the dashboard and choose Instagram as the platform to access Instagram specific templates and formats. Then, input your topic, brand voice, and key messaging points. Blaze AI will generate multiple post variations, including captions. Customize the generated content by editing the copy, adjusting the tone, and selecting the most engaging headlines and calls to action for your audience. Use Blaze AI's image suggestions or upload your own visuals to complement the written content. Finally, schedule your post directly through Blaze AI or copy the content to your preferred social media management tool for posting. And that's how to use Blaze AI to make epic Instagram posts.